Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Behance project thumbnail. First, log into your account, then on the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Now here, you can go to one of your projects if you have one, or you can go to your drafts. Now, go and select on Edit Project. Once inside the editor, on the right panel, under the Edit Project option, go and select Settings. Now, you will be able to change your project cover that will serve as your thumbnail. So just go and select on this Edit Cover image. After that, click on this plus sign button. Then, select the image that you want for your thumbnail. Now, you can go and drag it and then zoom it in or out if you want to. Once done, click on this crop button, and that will save your thumbnail for your project. After that, you can either save it as draft or publish it. So just go and select one. Now, if you go back and go to your Behance profile again, so just click on your profile and go to drafts, you will now see that the thumbnail is changed for that project. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.